There are many ways of covering ground. You can be conventional and use four wheels. There's nothing wrong with this. You'll have lots of company, but by replacing muscle power with horsepower, you can ride a Honda.
Okay, so I'm now going to pull these 3 bolts out and take off this cover so I can spin the crank and see if we can release the pistons. I've got some heat if I can't remove it. Let's just see how it goes. Okay guys, so I've pretty much stripped much of the bike. The rear end's kind of gone. I've still got to take off the wiring harness, the engine and the front end. I'm having a bit of trouble with the front end because it's been impact damaged, and also these bolts are stripped. So to remove this, I need to get rid of these bolts. This comes out, headlight comes out, and then you can remove the cabling, which I can't do, and the whole harness is coming out of inside of this, so it's a bit of a headache, but I'm gonna weld possibly some bolts onto here so I can remove it, and I think that would work. And then I'll probably get on to removing the harness, which comes kind of all about and then around back here. I've put some stuff to remember where the wires go, and I've also taken a video, so I think I should be fine putting it back together. This black stuff came out of the exhausts. They were pretty dirty inside. The wheels look okay. I feel like the edges would shine up. I'll give it a try. If it looks good, I'll be keeping the original wheels. If not, they sell this for pretty cheap, 18-inch just random chrome wheels. But I would want to keep it original because it's probably stronger than the Chinese stuff. I might just have to change the spokes and then get the centers polished. This needs a bit of panel beating. These kind of need a bit of work. The tank definitely needs a quality panel beater to get this back into shape. And yeah, bits and bobs. I will try to repair this seat. If not, it needs replacing. And yeah, that's where we are at the moment. Time to continue and start welding. So the reason why so little bolts have snapped on a 1969 model bike, which has been sitting outside for years, is because I've been spraying WD-40 ever since I bought it, and it's been about, I'd say, a month or two just sitting outside, and I've been spraying every now and then, every single bolt that I've seen, and the ones that have snapped are usually the ones which I haven't sprayed. So that was one rusted bolt. So it's all rusted from the middle because there's an opening there, and it struggled to come out.